How's it going, everyone? This is Sam with the Droning Company. I'm here with Luuk from Acecore. How's it going, Luuk?
Yeah, doing great. How are you doing today?
Awesome, I'm doing great. Glad to be here. All right, so, you guys got some pretty exciting looking drones here. Tell me a little bit about them.
Acecore Technology produces customized UAV products since 2013. Currently, we are here with one of our latest products, the NOAA Hybrids. The system is sub 55 LBS, so under 25 kilos, and you can fly for over 2 hours with fully loaded with 6 kilo payloads attached.
That is an impressive flight time.
Yeah, no, indeed. Each system that we produce is customized according to the client's wishes. So different modules can be attached in regards to RTK, remote controllers, flight controller, for example. Configuration can be completely Blue US if preferred. Besides that, we focus ourselves on producing the best possible UAV system in that way. And we do also custom integrations in regards to payloads that are available, from Regal towards also yellow scan LiDARs, phase one, security sensors, multispectral, hyperspectral, just name it. Everything is possible in that way.
Wow. I think I missed it. What did you say the payload is on one of these? Like, how much can it carry?
The NOAA Hybrid itself, that one can carry a maximum of 6 kilo payloads. We also have different kind of models available. So if the electrical version of the NOAA, that one can take with him approximately 20 kilos of payload when it's fully loaded. Okay, you will be over 25 kilos, so over the 55 LBS class. However, if you're looking for a more heavy lift system, that one can do basically all.
And you said this is a hybrid system, correct?
Yes.
What can you tell me about that system?
So it's a two-stroke engine in it. There are two fuel tanks on the system itself, including, of course, then safety batteries that are attached towards the system. The system itself, besides then, all the others can fly in rainy conditions of 10 millimeter rain an hour. Also with 28 knots of wind. Weather conditions from minus 15 to 50 degrees in that way.
Very, very cool. So if someone wanted to check you guys out, where can they go to find more information?
On our website, acecoretechnologies.com, or also on our YouTube channel. There are multiple different videos of our products also displayed from what they do according to each application. We're always available by email, phone call, or online demonstration or demonstration on location, or of course, if you want to have a spin, it's always welcome at our office.
Very cool. Well, again, this was Luuk with Acecore. And Luuk, thank you very much.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you also.